But yeah, so don't make unnecessary enemies. Yeah. Obviously, you know I'm a deep thinker, innit? So I was thinking about that little incident I had yesterday when I had to go to the children's parents' house, whatever, innit? Yeah. And also I was thinking about, yeah, it was so good, right? Yeah, so what prompted the topic of today is because basically yesterday, I don't know if you heard during the live stream, I had to go to some kid's parents' house and basically tell them that their children were just being disrespectful, whatever, innit? So the children are white, parents are white, obviously, and that. And yeah, even when I have, because obviously I've gone to the parents' house and said, I'll put my hands on your child. Now, I didn't grab the kid up by his throat or nothing like that, but I've grabbed the kid by his wrist and pulled him to say, move and go about your damn business or whatever. Yeah. So, yeah, quote unquote, put my hands on the child. Yeah. I don't even know how old the boy is, between 11 and 13 years old or whatever. So, yeah, even a situation like that, right, where I done something wrong, quote unquote, whatever, and yeah, the parents were still reasonable, right? Now, a lot of black people think that white people are just predisposed to being racist towards black people, and it's bullshit. Even when I've had altercations with white people, right? I'm a black man, yeah. I've had altercations with white people, yeah. Even then, I still haven't felt that racist element. Yeah. If all white people, as a lot of black people seem to claim, are racist, right? Even that little altercation that I had with the parents at their front door or whatever, right? I would have felt some kind of racist element. Yeah. Even if it was from the children or whatever, innit? Yeah. This is what I'm trying to say. White people are not racist like that, right? They were actually cool. Now I know they're proper white people, proper Union Jack. Yeah, they have a German Shepherd in their house and all that. Yeah, proper white people. Yeah, pie and mash type of people. Yeah, but they were cool with me, and I put my hands on their child, quote unquote. Yeah, another black person. Yeah, if they were in that situation, right, they would have assumed, oh, they're racist or whatever. In here. Now I just thought to myself, oh, they might want to call the police or something like that, right? But other than that, I didn't think that I didn't get no impression from them that they were racist or nothing like that, right? And I was in the wrong sort of, innit? Yeah. So, yeah, white people are not as racist as people think, right? What I'll tell you about maybe white English people, and I can't blame them for it, right? They might just be a little bit ignorant, yeah? Because a lot of them might not understand shepherd's pie, yeah. A lot of them might not understand black people, whatever it is. So maybe it's kind of like a fear thing, innit, right? What you don't know or what you don't understand, you fear. Like that is a natural thing, right? For humans, right? What we don't understand, we quote unquote fear. If we're walking through the woods, right? Or even outside your fucking house, if we saw a creature that was of a decent size, right, that we'd never seen before, right, like a weird looking creature, we'd, be wary of it, we'd be afraid of it because we don't understand it. We don't know if this thing's going to kill us or shoot a poison dart at us or whatever, innit? Yeah? So I just think with a lot of white people, right, who haven't had much interactions with black people, they may not be from the hood or they haven't really had much interactions with black people, out on the street or at work or whatever, innit? They might just be a little bit ignorant. They might be a little bit fearful because of what they see on the TV and the media, which ain't a fucking lie. Yeah, I'm not saying that all black people are crazy animals or whatever, innit? Yeah, but a lot of them are, right? A lot of us are, innit? Yeah, not all. Yeah, maybe. Do you know what? Maybe it's the small minority. Do you know what it is? It's the small minority that spoils it for the majority. That's what it is. Yeah? So a white person who's never really had much interactions with a black person, when they come across black people, all they've seen on TV is, crazy animals or whatever, innit? So they're just going to think that, oh, a lot of them are like that. And then when the black people interact with these white people and they got this standoffish type of attitude, mentality, right, body language, right, they're just going to confirm their assumptions. Oh, these people are not really like nice people or nothing like that. Telling you guys, the white people that know me, Yeah. If I was representing the whole of the black community, they'll be like, yeah, black people are cool. Yeah, we can actually talk to them on a level. Yeah. But a lot of black people, right, they don't even like I swear to God, right, I think a lot of black men as well, yeah, think that white people are really alien and they don't even know how to communicate with them. When I was at work, home to Haringey, I remember I was in the depot where we get our materials, yeah. So I'm an electrician, I'll go and get my sockets and switches and all that rubbish, yeah. One black youth, I actually knew who he was because he was my cousin's friend from school, but he didn't know who I was, right? Because he had a distinctive name, and I recognized him, right, from some of the pictures that my cousin showed me of his friends and that at school. So one dreadlock youth's come in now. Yeah, he worked for UPS. You know, in London, every black man works for UPS. Yeah, I don't know why all the UPS workers are all black, right? Probably to match the uniform, yeah, with the brown skin. But anyway, this black youth's come in now, right? And as I said, he's my cousin's friend from school. Now, I didn't say nothing to him, innit? But I was just observing him or whatever. So I'm standing next to my manager, right? He's a white man, yeah, proper white man, yeah. Standing next to him, this youth comes in. Now, he's a youth, he's from the street, yeah. So I know he's gonna have some confidence about him or whatever, innit? Yeah. Like, you know, he ain't gonna be some shy, timid, meek person or whatever, innit? But he's coming to the building depot and he's like, yeah, boss, like, where can I find or who can I speak to? I'm like, why are you like? He's moving like he's talking to someone from like you don't even speak the same language as him. Like, he can't just come in there with like. I don't know if you lot understand what I'm saying. He can't just be normal. Can't no. Put it this way: if he was talking to a black man, right? If my manager was a black man, right, he would have just spoke to him normal, yeah, like he's a normal fucking human being. But because he's approaching a white man, it's like a man's thinking about what he needs to say, like all looking down on the floor, like he's all in, like I don't know, like he's in court or something, like he's being watched or something, innit? A man's just not moving normal. And I'm just looking at this. I distinctly remember this scenario, and I was thinking to myself, this is what's wrong with black people. Yeah, they see white people as like alien, threat, or enemy. I don't know, innit? Yeah, but you can't look at someone's color and think they're different to you. As I said in the live stream yesterday, right? I don't look at someone's color and think they're the same as me. Yeah, just because we got melanated skin in it. Yeah, what's in your mind? Yeah. My man seen the white man and looked at him and thought, I can't even communicate with this guy properly. And he's just talking shit like, oh, boss, like, I'm thinking, so what on for this youth? Like, this is what's wrong with black people, yeah? Some, yeah, not all, yeah, I can't want to generalize, yeah? But this is what's wrong with a lot of men. A lot of men from the street as well, And I kind of get it a little bit, right? If you're from the street, especially because this youth, yeah, is from Tottenham, yeah? So he's a Tottenham youth, innit, yeah? So everyone he run with, yeah, if he was on the road like that anyway, but I know the school he went to was a black school, yeah? Everyone that he run with is black, right? So yeah, he ain't gonna have much interactions with white people, but it doesn't fucking matter, right? White people are no different than us, right? They're exactly the same as us, yeah? Hear me now, yeah? White people are no different to black people, yeah? You got the lower class, you got the middle class, and you got the upper class of white people. You got lower class black people, middle class, and upper class black people, yeah? It's just unfortunately, in this country, primarily, yeah, the majority of black people are right down there in the lower class, working class, whatever you want to call it. But we are exactly the same as them. They are exactly the same as us. Yeah, I don't even see that word there. I don't even like using that word, them. There's no them, yeah? We are all the same people, yeah? We just have different shades of skin, yeah? And you got to remember as well, yeah? Any of you lot believe in evolution or whatever, yeah? Wow, white people, they came from Africa, yeah? We are all from Africa, yeah? Even Chinese people are from Africa, yeah? Do your local research, yeah? You see some of them South African people, they got, yeah, lean eyes and that, yeah? That's where the Chinese people are, and them people there come from, yeah? Do some local research on the out of Africa theory, yeah? Or whatever, innit? Yeah? And you know, it might be some man says Sasquatch,